Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we will show you how to fix the black screen issue in the Indiana Jones and the Great Circle PC game. It's a very easy process and it will work for both Steam and for Xbox Game Pass as well. So what you do is simply go to your computer, then go to your C drive, then click on Users. Go to your user folder. Whatever username you have, now scroll down and click on Saved Games. Click on Machine Games. Go inside Great Circle, then Base. Now over here, you should be able to see the Great Circle _local.cfg file. So now what you have to do is simply right-click on it and just click on Delete. Then try to start your game and see if the issue is fixed. If the game launches, the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to the texture settings and set the texture pool to medium so it doesn't crash again.
Now, if the first process doesn't work for you, the next thing that you have to do is you have to right-click on the same file, which will be automatically generated after opening your game. Right-click on it and click Open With and choose Notepad. Now, right over here, you should be able to see the pool size value. By default, it might be set to 3584. So what you do is simply enter a smaller amount, let's say for example 900, and then simply click on File and then click on Save. Now again, start your game, and this time don't delete this file. Just simply start the game normally, and this time it should work just fine. So that's it. Now your game should work just fine. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.